Tomah Health's Hospice Touch and Palliative Care supports patients and families with compassionate care.
My name is Tom Baumgarten. I live about 2 miles south of Tomah. I am retired currently. When I was working, I was a merchant in downtown Tomah. My main experience with hospice with Tomah Health was the experience where my wife was diagnosed with terminal brain cancer, and so it was pretty obvious after it was explained to us what's available that we would use the Serenity House because it offered just what she needed. And she was here about 5 weeks, and during that time we got to realize what a wonderful facility it was for end-of-life care.
Tomah Health hospice patients can choose to receive care in their homes or at our hospice facility, Serenity House.
For Tomah Health Hospice, we have the Serenity House that is an 8-bed hospice residence where the resident can receive 24-hour care from our hospice staff, and family can be here at all times and continue to be the caregiver, but also just be the family member.
Services offered at Serenity House would include our 24/7 caregiving staff, and we also offer massage therapy, social worker, and chaplain services to all Serenity House patients as well.
Some more of the benefits to having a loved one at Serenity House is that they can come and go. They can stay here if they choose to. We provide meals to the patient.
We recently extended our service lines, so we now cover a 27-mile radius around Tomah City Center.
Our dedicated team offers comprehensive resources for the patient and their families, including spiritual support.
When they become part of the hospice, we ask them if they have a spiritual community, faith community that is supporting them, and if they do, it's wonderful, but we still help facilitate that. But the thing that they can expect is we're going to ask them, what do you need in spiritual support? How can we help the family or the patient to be with them, to pray with them, to listen, or just to bring whatever support they need. But I don't know how many times I've heard the family members say, I cannot say enough or give thanks enough to the care that their family members received here at Serenity House, and it's because of the staff that they really do care.
The staff people are such professionals, and all of a sudden we began to realize that that was a really good choice here, and that it was the best thing for Lynn as far as what was going on in her life.
The staff at Hospice Touch and Palliative Care give high quality patient-centered care, as evidenced by our CMS rating of 5 stars. And we've also recently received the Hospice Honors Award from our CAP surveys that our patients' families fill out.
We go into their homes and into their lives at one of their most vulnerable times and help to support them and make sure that they're comfortable at all times and develop great relationships with the family members that last a lifetime.
We're walking with people through one of the toughest times in their lives. It makes it maybe not an easier journey, but to know that you've got somebody going with you through this time, one of the toughest times in your life, we know it matters.
It was totally as good as it could have been. I don't know how it could have been any better. That's why we would be happy to recommend this facility to anyone considering long-term care that's appropriate for this.
Tomah Health, Hospice Touch and Palliative Care, caring for our community.